The 3 army jawans and 3 civilians have been killed in an encounter between the Indian Army and terrorists in the Arnia sector of Jammu and Kashmir. 3 terrorists have also been gunned down in this fight. Terrorists had attacked an army post in Arnia sector earlier today. The encounter has been going on for over 6 hours now.
बजे के आसपास जो मिलिटेंट्स के साथ में हमारी फोर्सेस का एनकाउंटर हुआ वो अभी तक जारी है और अभी तक जो रिपोर्ट्स हैं उसके मुताबिक 3 मिलिटेंट्स के मारे जाने की खबर है और कुछ 3 सिविलियंस जो हैं उनकी कैजुअलिटीज भी हुई हैं जब सुबह क्रॉस फायर हुआ है मिलिटेंट्स और आर्मी के दरमियान। अभी भी एक मिलिटेंट जो है उसके साथ फायरिंग रुक रुक के चल रही है और जहां तक नंबर की बात है कम से कम 4 मिलिटेंट हैं, तो ये नंबर ज्यादा भी हो सकता है। इसलिए हमने ये पूरा एरिया जो है उसमें एडिशनल फोर्सेस मंगा के पुलिस की अपनी टोलियां, कुछ सीआरपीएफ के एडिशनल फोर्सेस मंगाई हैं, कुछ ऑफिसर्स को बुलाया है और पूरा एरिया जो है अब उसको हम लोग सर्च कर रहे हैं। अपने लोगों को वहां पे भेजा है इसके बारे में जानकारी इकट्ठी करने के लिए कि कोई यहाँ से जो लोग आए हैं उनमें से स्प्लिंटर ग्रुप निकल के और यहाँ से कहीं निकला तो नहीं है। और साथ ही जो बाकी डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं वहाँ पे भी अलर्ट इशू किया है कि वो भी अपने एरियाज में खासकर जितने भी नेशनल हाईवे हैं और जो मेजर टाउन्स हैं जम्मू सिटी इन पर्टिकुलर, वहाँ सुरक्षा के बंदोबस्त जो है उनको अलर्ट किया गया है।
नहीं, वैसे जानकारी मैंने ली है और हमारी फोर्स और वहाँ के लोग पूरे मामले पर अपनी नजर बनाए हुए हैं।
Pradeep is reporting live from Arnia. He joins us now. Pradeep, what's the update at your end? We of course know that the gunfight was on since one terrorist was still believed to be holed up inside an army bunker.
Yes, still the last 4 terrorists are still holed up inside the army bunker. It's more than 7 hours, and the firefight between the terrorists and the security force personnel is going on. It was morning at about 8:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time when these 4 terrorists who had infiltrated from the Arnia sector, they came to the Katyar village. They were intercepted, and that was the time after infiltration. These terrorists carried out a feline attack. They attacked one of the army posts, opened fire, in which 3 army personnel sustained serious injury. Later, one of them succumbed to the injuries. These 4 terrorists, they have taken refuge inside the bunker. The firing continued for exchange of fire, continued between the army personnel as well as terrorists for several hours, and after that the 3 terrorists were gunned down. The 4 terrorists are still holed up, as you heard IG Jammu Rajesh Kumar saying that the 4 terrorists are still there. They are also trying to ascertain maybe there can be the more number, because people are saying that they have seen about 4 to 6 terrorists. So they are trying to ascertain facts. They are taking all precautions because this area is just 20 kilometers away from the Jammu city. All the areas have been properly plugged. They have already deployed the police and the paramilitary force personnel at several points to ensure that the 4 terrorists who is holed up there, he is not able to break the cordon and move from this place to the Jammu city. Then it will become very difficult. The other big challenge right now before the army personnel is that before that darkness descends, they are trying to eliminate these terrorists, because after that again the things will really become difficult. The information what we are getting right now is that today morning these 4 terrorists, they moved from the nearby Pakistani post and they infiltrated into the Indian side. The moment they came towards the Pindi Kala village, there these terrorists who were wearing that time the Pathan suit, they changed the dress, they got dressed into combat fatigue so that the people who can see them in the combat fatigue, they could mistake them as army personnel. That was one of the reasons when initially some of the villagers spotted, they thought these are the army personnel moving in this border area. That is normal routine. Then in the meantime, one person spotted that they were wearing the sports shoes. So this was an indication that they are not the army personnel, because normally army personnel never wear the sports shoe. And that was the time when they opened fire on the people. 3 civilians were injured, and after that they targeted one of the posts in that village area, and right now they are inside the TCP post. The 3 terrorists, they gave a tough fight to the army personnel. The 3 of them have been eliminated. Still 4 terrorists is there. You can see the senior army officers, they are rushing to the spot, they are assessing the situation. The cordon of the area is going on. Army is preparing for the final assault. The army personnel personnel with the UPGL and the other ammunition. They are moving towards that
Yes,
area.
of course, Pradeep. The focus right now is eliminating the one remaining terrorist. Intermittent firing still continuing in Arnia. 3 civilian casualties, 3 army jawans who have been martyred, 3 terrorists also gunned down. We will come back to you, Pradeep, for more updates.